turn the recording off, okay? And then we can do that.
Yes, ma'am.
You should see something come up on your screen that says, I got it. This meeting is being live streamed. Okay. So that just means we're recording. Today's date is September 10th, 2021. In Collingsworth County, Texas, I call cause number 8303 in the interest of Matthew Benjamin Neely. What says the state?
Your Honor, the state is ready, and I believe the parties have an agreement.
All right, Mr. Blackburn is for the AG's office. Ms. Blacksher, you're appearing here by audio and video. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Neely, you're appearing here by audio and video. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
And Carolyn Neely is in the courtroom area. All right, Mr. Blackburn, would you please announce the agreement? And if Mr. Neely and Ms. Blacksher, you would listen carefully. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. My understanding of the parties' agreement is they will be appointed joint managing conservators of the child, Matthew Benjamin Neely, with Ms. Blacksher having the right to determine the primary residence of that child. Visitation will be either by agreement. If there is no agreement, visitation will be the second and fourth Saturdays of each month from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Neither party has health insurance available at a reasonable cost. Ms. Blacksher will apply for government medical assistance. Both child support and medical support for Mr. Neely will be set to zero due to his incarceration. No retroactive child support is necessary. And I believe there's no need for any non-disclosure, Your Honor. However, I would like to verify that through testimony briefly.
All right, you may call your witness.
I'll call Ms. Blacksher, Your Honor.
Ms. Blacksher, would you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you. Ms. Blacksher, please state your full name.
Samantha K. Blacksher.
And do you have any issues with Mr. Neely or with anybody else having access to your address, phone number, and other contact information?
No, I do not.
Okay, there's no one threatening you, harassing you, anything like that?
No, there is not.
Right. And did you hear that announcement I made as far as all the terms of the agreement?
Yes.
Is that in fact your agreement?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to approve that agreement?
Yes.
I'll pass this witness, Your Honor.
Anything else you want me to know, Ms. Blacksher, that didn't come up through the question and answer?
I don't believe so.
All right, thank you, ma'am. All right, Mr. Blackburn.
I'll call Mr. Neely, Your Honor.
Mr. Neely, would you
Yes,
raise
ma'am.
your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Blackburn.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir, what is your full name?
Matthew Ryan Neely.
And do you have any issues with Ms. Blacksher having your address, phone number, other contact info?
No, sir.
Any safety concerns with anybody else having that info?
No, sir.
Did you hear that agreement that I announced?
Yes, sir.
Is that in fact your agreement?
Yes, sir.
Are you asking the court to approve that agreement?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else you'd like the judge to be aware of?
No, sir.
Pass witness, Your Honor.
All right, anything else you want me to know, Mr. Neely?
No, sir. Or no, ma'am.
All right. That all of your testimony, Mr. Blackburn?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll rest.
All right. Well, based on the testimony and evidence before me, then I'm approving your agreement. Mr. Blackburn will prepare that order for my signature and I will sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Messer and he would make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final and you should get a copy in the mail or by email within, I'd say, about 2 weeks. If you don't have one, please call the Amarillo AG's office and remind them to send one to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And Mr. Neely, Ms. Blacksher, once Mr. Neely is released from confinement, then the AG's office typically refiles, and we do come back to court to look at setting child support once that happens, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, good luck to all of you. Thank you so much for appearing
Thank you.
today. Good luck to you and to Matthew Benjamin too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're free to go. Bye-bye.
Can I say a word to Mr. Neely real quick?
Real quick.
Put me on your visitation list. I'll come talk to you.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All
Alrighty.
right. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.